Today we're working on a International Durastar with a 6.4 maxxforce engine. We're changing the fuel lift pump. It's on the bottom of this filter assembly. So I gotta get bracket off, your send and return lines, 2 bolts on this bracket here that holds the harness on. Got a bolt up there, a bolt back here for this bracket. Got this fuel cooler line right there, and then 2 bolts on the bottom. Get those out and get the filter assembly out enough to change that pump out. There are 2 bolts I forgot about. There's a bracket right there, and then on this side, back down in there, there's another 10mm head bolt. Take those out. For the pump, the lift pump itself, that black cap right there, you got 3 bolts holding it in. You got a connector on the side there. We'll take those out and pull that whole pump out of there. Alright, new pump is in. 3 bolts, pop the old one out, put the new one in, put some oil on the O-rings before you push it up in there. Tighten those 3 bolts evenly. They're 8mm. It's too hard to video and do it. Take this pump out at the same time and put it back in, but this is what the end looks like. Tighten those bolts evenly. You got a seal here, here, and here. So get those up in there as tight as you can, and then tighten those bolts up evenly. And then we're gonna put this thing back together, plug everything in, and prime the system. Cycle the key about 6 times, and that'll prime all the air out of it. Get the housing filled up with fuel, and we'll try to start it. Alright, just cycling the key, bump it over so the lift pump will run. You can hear it running. I cycled it a few times, so we'll see if it starts, hopefully.